Hi everyone, today is day second of my challenge of English learning, and I'm going to talk about in this video how we can speak like a professionals and like a impressive persons. When we speak a little word, we have to pronunciate this word like professionals speak. It does not mean when we speak everything in English that looks professional. No, this is not correct. When we speak a little word and a little sentence, this thing is very important. How we can present this thing, present this word, present this sentence, and a professionals speak like this means those two things very important when we speak English. First, word stress, and second, tonality. This is very important. Talk about tonality. Tonality is very important for a beginner. Any person who want to improve English, and tonality is very important. A single word when we speak, this is very important. How we can going to present this word another person, and how we going to pronunciate this word. For example, when we speak silent, this is meant, this is not silent, it means silent. This pronunciation going to decide that you are a professional or you are just a beginner and a bad speaker. This thing very is important, because everything depend on how we speak, how we pronunciate this word, in how this is going to impress anyone, and this is going to make your personality good. Everything depend on tonality. And let's example, take an example. First, I'm going to tell some sentences, and then we're going to talk about how tonality is important. First, who are you, what are you doing here, and where are you going? I tell three sentences, but this is not like that. I'm going exactly meant. I'm going to talk. I'm talking these sentences in Hindi. My reaction is going on that things. When I'm going to tell you who are you, this is like that. I'm going to reading these books and talking about this, but no, these things means we have to speak any sentence, we have to make this sense, make this like that we are really want these things. Let's take example. Who are you means we are going to take this who are you, that means we are going to like this, we are reading these things. No, we are not exactly what we are asking. Means tonality is very important. Let's talk about with tonality. Who are you? This thing is very important. Our impression, body impression, our face impression, our hand movement is very important. When we talk any persons, we have to not say like that, like these things. When we are speaking English like this, we are speaking in English, and our movement, body movement like this. No, we have to gently, we have to stand like straight and chest up, and then speak. This thing determine that we are confident and we are going to talk about good. When we are not looking confident, when we are looking standing like this and talking like, and is slouching like this thing, every person believe that this person is not going to look impressive and not make anything, speak anything good and impressive. This thing is very important. Body language, our body language said another person how we are going to speak and how we are going to make this day good and bad. Second, tonality, word stress, and body language. Our body language is very important. How we're going to present this word, we have to stand straight and in front of anybody and speak like this. Just say, I'm going to introduce myself. Hi everyone, I am Nibha and I am going to talk about how I am improving myself in English, and today is my day of second these things. And except and another person is going, and a second example I am taking, like I am going to talk about, hey everyone, I'm Nibha and I am going to speak like this, and this, and thank you very much. This thing is not right, because my movement and body language is not good.